update on the 86, 87, I believe, Ford F-150. I took the heads off, and these are the original 302 heads, and they have ran this sucker so hot that it sucked the valves up in the head. It's only the exhaust valves, and this was the cylinder that was blowed. You see the rust. I got the gasket. So this is the driver's side gasket, where we blew a piece out of it, and I couldn't find the piece, so I guess it went out the exhaust or something. I don't know. Got chewed up. Anyway, we had these 289 heads that we sent off and had them checked, and you see the difference in the valves, the way they're flush with the seats. So we're going to put these 289 heads. This is 289. That one says 302. We're going to put these 289 heads on this 302 block. I've already got one head on and got it torqued, and working to get the other head on, and hopefully get everything on probably tonight, and get her cranked up. But I got to flush all that milky stuff out of the block, so it might not be tonight. But like I said, just a quick update on head installation and gasket. So that head there is pretty toast, needs to be reworked. I did a leak test on it, and gas leaked out of each one of the exhaust valves, so it ain't too pretty. So hopefully the block is good. Hopefully they didn't run it too hot and crack the block and damage the block. So, but we'll see. I didn't see any cylinder cracks, and the pistons look good on top. So I didn't see anything look melted. So like I say, we'll see what happens. But I'll get back with y'all later.